what's up, everyone? Meghalaya, Shillong, Khasi people.
It's your African boys.
Yo,
That's Daddy.
back with my brother Mohib, guys.
Okay, Wala boy.
You know him, man. If he's here, just know you're going to enjoy it, right?
Yeah,
so
man.
we have suggested video here by the title BAPHYRNAI, guys. Official music video. We have the, I think this music video is like Naka film. Is it from a, maybe this music is from a movie,
yeah.
Something like that. So,
maybe the movie.
Yeah. Because they said Naka film. So this music from a, it's from a movie.
Yeah,
because every movie it has a music.
Yeah,
so we are going to check it and
we are curious.
Let's do it. Just subscribe to the channel, put on the notification bell,
share.
Let's go.
Without wasting time, let's go.
This guy is called the comedian man.
Yeah.
The JINGKMEN. Keboor. It's called Keboor.
Jingit nat habang apet yapi. Wat shi bunti bunrong ki kalanti. Pi palangayo ibetang yapi. Long thi kumba pi alam lanti. Bangani yapi. Long thi kumba pi alam lanti. Bangani yapi.
Kita hajing embun kijing bishni kata ngadang iyapi
habang adang ni batpi sugumadang shoy kari da JINGKMEN kaji soga ngam nang ong hadu kata na marhapi ngala IT Nyngkong kisni
Okay, those girls like me, I just wonder their hair. See, it's just so silky, like so different.
No, it's not like the other Indian.
Not like the Indian, the north side of India, north or south India. Okay, power is back now, guys. We were sweating because we don't have power, but finally,
Put on the AC, hey, it's one load.
Yeah, put on the AC, some soda. Put on the AC, man.
Yes,
now the power is back. Okay, right?
Yeah,
so this lady, right? Yeah, she looked beautiful, and I just like how those people, they look so unique and different.
Yeah.
Even in their hairstyle, like for us African, we have that kind of tough or rough hair, and it's like curly hair. But for them, it's so silky and wavy hair, right?
You can't understand.
Yeah.
But see, there is no subtitle. I
There is
can't
no subtitle,
understand the music, but I'm enjoying the beat.
Yeah, let's enjoy with the beat, guys.
Yeah,
let's check more.
Om dan slam Om dan spane pel ban pen I Kajing kau tau kajing I happy Om dan bala ban saki
Wala jingye baki wan syadin ngan nom ken rantang bati ngalarai hadu partai bakan wai kane kajingye basisha utip ken mentah Wala jingye baki wan syadin ngan nom ken rantang bati ngalarai hadu partai bakan wai kane kajingye basisha utip ken mentah La 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 Pidai kajing em kajing shai BAPHYRNAI
Hey, enough. Yeah,
Let me.
That's
Close
enough.
up, enough.
That's enough for us, okay?
There is kids that are watching this video.
Yeah, we are underage. We are watching this video, so
Yeah.
sorry. Okay, we'll stop here,
Yeah.
and we like it. And you saw how amazing they were shining, those ladies. And I just love their dress, guys. They are so like. I watched one video or people is speaking about Meghalaya. Most of them they were just speaking like they used to ask them what do you think about nowadays people or Meghalaya, right? Most of them they used to say that the Meghalaya people they are fashion people, meaning that they are so good in dressing. You can see like
You
inside
see,
videos.
every time I say like me and myself, those people that they can do more than that. But when I like did new video, I'll be so shocked, so surprised. Even that you have like wrong understanding or misunderstanding
Yeah.
about next is most
Yeah.
of the people they say that place is like unknown, that place is like not beautiful, but
Yeah,
if you
yeah,
go there,
it is not just that the northeast people, the tribe, like it is not that famous. Like I
Yeah,
can
yeah.
say places which are famous in northeast. You can say Assam. Assam is so
Assam
famous.
and little
And
of
but when going other state also they are famous.
Meghalaya.
But when you coming into their tribe, sub tribe,
Yeah.
like into their tribal, they are not that known in
Yeah,
India
yeah.
here. I don't know why, but it's
But
okay. Maybe
don't worry, with
don't
us
worry.
we will become the
Yeah,
number
don't
one.
worry, guys. We are here. We are here.
Meghalaya they have been taken over.
Yeah, obviously, man. I think if Meghalaya people like if Indian like if those people are known all over India,
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure every people from different states like Telangana,
Yeah.
Andhra, North India, they will be visiting that place.
because
They
don't know
will visit
what
that place. This is like
Boss,
peaceful place.
let's go and enjoy our summer there.
Yeah,
Not
peaceful place.
We are planning to visit.
Yeah.
Just suggest the nice place in the
No,
comment.
we want to hit like 50K subscribers.
After 50K, yeah.
After 50K subscribers, we'll start making vlog and we'll come to Meghalaya.
Yeah,
Guys.
Meghalaya,
So
Sikkim,
subscribe,
Assam.
put on the bell, share to your family and friends. Let them also subscribe so that we meet in Meghalaya.
I
Yes.
noticed that most of the people that have been watching our video and they are not
They are not
subscribed.
subscribing.
Now why? What's wrong?
Do it, man.
Just do it.
Support us. Thank you. See you next time.
Bye bye.
Gotcha.
One love.